Hello my all lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you this summer glowing full face makeup tutorial. Now I am start drawing my eyebrow with MAC eyebrow pencil. Now I am going to take a concealer and try to use a concealer which is very similar to your skin tone. Don't use too light shade concealer. I am going to set this concealer with a powder. You can use loose powder, you can use compact powder, any powder of your choice. Today's makeup I am taking this Kiss Beauty new palette, and from this palette I am taking this matte pink shade. Now I am taking this color and I am going to apply this directly on my crease area. After blending the matte shadow, I am taking this dark brown color. To cut the crease, I am using Elegant concealer. Now I am taking this shimmery white color and putting only on the lid area. Now I am taking this dark brown color eyeshadow. This is one of the main eyeshadow of this eye look. Music actually does not the smoky part, and I am applying this on the outer crease area and dragging into the inner part. Now I am applying mascara and applying this terracotta color eyeshadow on the lower lash line and also highlight the inner corner, and with this my eyes are done. At the beginning of the face makeup, I will use aloe vera gel. And for this look as my foundation, I am taking this foundation. To set the foundation, I am taking Lakme face powder. Now I am contouring my face. Now I am taking focal layer highlighter. As lipstick, I took Kylie lipstick and then lip gloss. I hope you all loved it, and I will see in my next video. Bye bye.